Yeah, we're about to officially launch a project we've been working on for some time with a few partners. We've partnered up with the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and Subaru of Lethbridge and JustServe.org in order to launch a driver experience program for our students. So it's really about hope for our students. We attempt to remove barriers at our school as much as we can for students at risk or in need, and we have a number of students who don't have their learner's license, don't plan on getting their learner's license or a driver's license. We have a handful of students who have their learner's license currently, but just don't have a vehicle, a family vehicle to access, or even a friend to take them around to gain the experience that they need in order to pass the driver road test. Gaining the learner's license is something that we can help out with, and that sort of book work and study and so on, and then they can challenge the exam and gain that Class 7 license. But it's the Class 5 license, the driver's license, that requires some time, experience, and patience with a volunteer, and we're hoping to provide just that for our students. So we do remove those barriers, and they can move towards their preferred future. So students, all they do, we've got a pretty simple process. Students just come to us. We have them sign a few forms, and then pair them up with some volunteers in order to get the experience driving around Lethbridge and area. We're very thankful to the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints for their contribution. They contributed $15,000 towards the purchase of this vehicle. Without that help, this project wouldn't be possible. Also, our executive really gave us permission to pursue something like this. It's a very unique program. As we understand it, there may not be another one around, and so they were very kind and willing to help us make this a reality. And Lethbridge, our Subaru of Lethbridge, has agreed to do the maintenance on the vehicle for the future, which helps us out financially as well and make this possible for our students.
So how we got started in this program was, we as a church, as believers in Jesus Christ, we try and do what He did, which was care for those in need. And so we have an ongoing relationship with Victoria Park High School, and they approached us about perhaps, helping with this initiative to not only provide physical mobility for the students, i.e. through driving, but the social mobility that comes from having a driver's license, being able to get a job, and be able to have a more positive view on your future. So we're grateful for that opportunity to collaborate and participate, and we made a financial contribution to the purchase of the vehicle, as well as we're helping recruit volunteers through our website, JustServe.org. It's all one word, which really functions as an electronic bulletin board where we can have organizations such as the school post their volunteer requirements, and then we try and draw attention to that bulletin board by the community, so that community members can sign up and be a part of this exciting program.
This is our first vehicle for the Driver's Ed program that I'm really excited that we're starting. I'm an independent student, so I don't really have the chance to get out and practice driving. So this program starting at Victoria Park is really helping me so that I can get out there and start learning and get my license soon. I'm really excited that we get to use this vehicle for the driver's test as well, because I don't think I would have a vehicle to use. I'm excited to meet the volunteers that are going to be teaching me how to drive, and excited for road trips with classmates and learning how to drive together. It's going to be a lot of fun. I'm just so excited to get my license and not have to depend on other people or the city bus. It's always asking somebody do you have time to bring me somewhere, and it's really inconvenient for them, so it's going to be really convenient for me to get my license through the school.